Well, found some nice red rock. Beautiful stuff. And then we got pumice right here. More red rock. Man, look. Man, we got a creek right here. Man, this is like so fun to see this total artwork coming up here. What do we got here? It's like a wonderstone almost. No, I don't know. No, kinda. Got some green rolling through there. I don't know. Cracked it. No, it's not all the way through. Wow, look at this red rock. Beautiful. Wow. Wow, pumice central. Pumice central. Oh yeah, nice and light. Just a little weight, but there's something else mixed in it with it. Wow, look at that. Imagine water flowing down there at this time. Well, it's nice and hard too. Wow. There's my truck way down there. My buddy Doug. Juggle-lug, juggle-lug. Wow, look at that. This is awesome. God's creation. Yeah, I just leave my bucket on there. Leave my bucket here. Take my hammer here. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. I don't know, maybe you guys don't like it, I don't know. I like it. Oh, we got some pink in there. Pink pumice. Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh, these holes are awesome. Smells good up here too. I don't know what plant I just passed, but wow. Natural little caves, mini caves for your little animals. Man, I don't know my plants. I need to learn my plants. Cause that smells so good. I would like to take some home with me. I guess I could smell it. Look for it. Wow, look at that. Well, be darned. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Solid rock. I stand on solid rock. Man, that's a nice little workout. Just need to be careful. Like I said, I don't got any water on me. Oh man. Wow. Hey, Doug! Doug! Wow. It's like hollow. Hallowed be thy name. Dang, bro. Didn't think I would be hiking all the way. I was going to, and I'm like, nah. I just come over here. I was actually heading over there. This is pretty gnarly stuff. Because because I'm not used to seeing this stuff, I guess. That's a rock. Never know what fossils you might find. All right. Oh, there's a bone up here. I got a bone. I got a bone! Dude, there you go. Size of my pick right there. Wow, look at that. Quaid or something. Yeah, well, I found a bone. Okay. Getting a little lightheaded here now. No water, so I'll head back down. There's my truck all the way down there. Can't even see it on camera, but I'll kind of pinpoint it right there. All the way over there. Alright, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down. If you like it, give it a crown or a frown.